Are you tired of hunting through Odoo's settings to offer discounts? Learn the exact 7 clicks to enable product discounts today. We'll navigate to Sales, Configuration, Settings, flip the discount checkbox, and save in 7 simple steps. First, head over to the home page of your Odoo dashboard. Then, from the main menu, click on Sales to open the Sales module. Now, click on Configuration at the top bar to view the configuration options. Then, click on Settings from there. Once the Settings page opens, scroll down to locate the Pricing section. In that section, find the Discount checkbox and click it to enable discounts. Finally, click Save at the top left corner to apply your changes. And that's all there is to it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.